Hey artists, it's Chris from Smart Music Business. I am going live with Michael Walker today at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll put the link below here, but we're going to be talking about fan hacking. We're going to be talking about exploding your fan base. I just had another song hit over 10 million streams on Spotify, so I'm going to be talking about that during the Q&A as well. And that's the cool thing. We're going to be training for about an hour, and then we're going to be doing Q&A to answer any of your questions. If this is the year where you're like, you know what, I want to take the music game to the next level, I want to get it out there, you're really good at creating the music, but you're like, look, it's time to get some ears and eyeballs on this music, then you want to join this free workshop. I'll put the link below this video. I look forward to seeing you there. And if you can't make it, sign up and at least watch the replay, but please try and come live so that way I can meet you guys, hang out, and it's just going to be a great time to keep getting your music out there. I want to remind you, a fighter isn't someone who never fails. A fighter is someone who never quits.